Hi there, my name is Rick and I am a digital fabrication specialist here at BeAM, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to input the Cura settings you're going to need to start 3D printing. So to begin with, go ahead and install Cura. It's just the Cura software, and you can find that on the Ultimaker website. Once you have that installed, go ahead and open it up, and the first thing you're going to see is not this screen, but something that looks like this: Add a printer. So go ahead and click on Add a non-network printer. And here at BeAM, we have Ultimaker 3s and Ultimaker 3 Extendeds. I recommend making a profile for both, and I'll talk a little bit more about what that means in a few minutes. But go ahead and click on Ultimaker 3 and click Add. You notice that the background is going to change to display a little Ultimaker 3. So to get started, let's orientate ourselves. If we hold right-click and mouse around, we'll be able to freely rotate. If we hold left-click and mouse around, this is going to do nothing. If we just left click, this is the selection action. Since there's nothing here, nothing's being selected. And if you just right click, some options are going to pop up. You can also do this with the navigation panel down here in the bottom left. We have a 3D view, we have a front view, top view, left view, and right view. So again, to rotate the screen, all you have to do is hold right click and mouse around. So I'm going to rotate us to a more natural angle. And let's get started putting in these settings. So you see there's a few tabs up here. The first tab was to add a printer. This next tab is dealing with print cores and materials. So to begin with, make sure you're on print core 1. And down here where it says materials, click on the tab, go to generic, and select CPE. You'll notice that the box is going to change to display a green color, and that's good. That means we're good to go. The last thing that you want to do is click on the second tab. This is our second print core, used mainly for dual extrusion. If you aren't dual extruding, we recommend that you turn this off. So where it says enable, click on the little checkbox, and that should disable the second print core, and we're good to go. So the final setting we're going to touch up on is the actual printing settings. So if we click on the final tab, you'll see this. Go ahead and click on custom. And the first thing we want to change is the profile. So it's default to fine. Go ahead and change that to fast. Once you do that, go down to materials, which is going to be located towards the middle. Usually your settings won't be expanded. Mine were because I was messing around with them. But the first setting was in quality, or this profile up here. The next setting is material. Here BeAM will recommend temperatures of 255 degrees and 80 for the build plate. And that's basically it. So I was mentioning using a second profile for the Ultimaker 3 Extendeds. To do that, you would follow the same procedure. Click down, click Add a Printer, click on Ultimaker 3 Extended, and follow the same process. The Ultimaker 3s and the Ultimaker 3 Extendeds use the same settings. It's just that the Ultimaker 3 Extended is quite a bit bigger. So if we click on Add here, you'll notice the background is going to change, and now we see an Ultimaker 3 Extended. And as you can see, it is extended. But yeah, that's basically it. Let us know if you have any more questions.